Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be changing our thermal paste. Now, I've only had this computer for about 7 months, so it's not usually the time to change your thermal paste, but I remember when I at first bought this, it was my first computer, and the thermal paste that came with the Darkrock Pro 4 was very hard to get out of the tube. I don't know if it had dried up inside the tube or what, but I remember just really having to squeeze the bottle just to get the tiniest amount of thermal paste to come out of it. So I'm thinking, some of my higher temperatures I'm seeing have to do with that thermal paste. So today we're going to go ahead and use some Corsair XT-M50. Then I also did pick up a 4K 60 Pro capture card. We're going to go ahead and throw that in there as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Get this Darkrock Pro 4 unmounted. And yeah, we'll go ahead and show you how to clean it up and everything. So give me 1 second here. Alright, so this is Darkrock Pro 4. To unmount this, we need to take off these two screw caps, and then the screws are straight down, but I forgot we do have to unmount the fan here, just a clip fan, but it can be a little hard to get in there. So we're gonna go ahead and take out this capture or this graphics card just to get out of the way a little bit, so we have more room to get into mess with this air cooler. We went ahead and pulled out our graphics card here, just so we have a little more room to play with. Pop that. Those can be a little tough to undo. And it looks like we're actually going to have to take off these panels, probably get rid of those fans on top there. Now I do like this cooler. I think once we change the thermal paste, it'll get a lot better. But we're going to go ahead and have to remove those top two fans. Because the nice thing about this case, it is open up top here, so you can easily access everything. As long as these fans aren't here, obviously. So we're going to remove those real quick, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so now that we got those clips off of there, we can go ahead and just slide this out. Maybe. I'm not looking forward to putting that fan back in. That thing was a pain in the butt to take off in the first place. And then from here, just straight down, there's two screws we have to unscrew. Alright. So I think we're actually just going to use a Q-tip. Try to kind of get the majority of it off. Once we have the majority of it off, I'm going to use a little bit of alcohol just to kind of clean up the rest. And we'll go ahead and do the same on our air cooler. so I'm gonna go ahead and give that a little more time to dry. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this 4K60 Pro mounted. So we went ahead and mounted that 4K60 Pro. I'm hoping that's not going to end up being a little too close to our graphics card. Alright, so we're ready to go ahead and reapply our thermal paste. So we're going to put one small pea size. Size amount right in the middle. And then we just go ahead and place this right on top as even as we can. We're just going to keep going from side to side. Yeah, this applies nice even pressure. Alright guys, we got our Darkwrock Pro 4 mounted again. We did get both our fans connected over here as well. All we have left to do is throw these little caps back on here. All we have to do is throw in our graphics card, then we should be all done here. Actually, we do have to move those fans back into place, and then we'll be all done. Pretty easy. It snaps right back into place. I'm hoping that's not going to be too close to that. You can see there we don't have much room, but it's pretty small. I think we'll be okay. Worst case, I can always move it down one slot. I do have slots available here. But yeah, all we got left, get these fans back into place. We usually just put these right at the halfway point of the Darkwrock Pro 4. Oh, looks like it might be okay. All fans are spinning. So I think we're looking pretty good.
Alright, we just got that thermal paste swapped out. I went ahead and ran Cinebench R20. Looks like our score is up maybe 25 points or so. And then we can look at our temperatures here. From our benchmarking video, our highest temperature was 84 degrees, and then the rest of our cores were low 80s to high 70s. Looks like now our highest temperature is 78 degrees. And the rest of our cores, we have high 70s, mid 70s to even low 70s. So 5-6 degrees improvement there. So definitely happy to see that. Would have loved to see more, but I will take any decrease in temperature here. We're going to go ahead and play a little bit of Warzone. So we just finished playing Call of Duty Warzone. We played for about 3.5 hours. And I did have this running in the background here. Not sure what's going on with my green screen down there. But looks like we did hit 74 on one core. Otherwise, we're low 70s, high 60s. So definitely a big improvement there from before the thermal paste swap. I feel like I was much closer to, high 70s, maybe even hitting 80s in a couple cores. So definitely happy there. This new thermal paste definitely is working a lot better. Seeing up to 10 degrees difference is tremendous. So it looks like your GPU did definitely kick on 64 degrees. So that capture card must not be affecting it very much, if at all. Overall, pretty happy. Definitely glad I did swap that out. So I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.